Hey, it's Don Duran with NSI Solutions again. A few weeks ago, we started releasing tools that we made for ourselves. What I mean by that is we throw them on our web store, make a quick video. If other people are interested, they can buy them too, because they work. The first two we did was like a set of radius templates. Those have been around for a couple of years. There's also a faucet hole gauge to use to verify faucet hole sizes. And here's another one. This is a little handheld SL3 adapter that our fabricators use anytime they want to do some like quick handwork. Now this will hold any of our SL3 items. The hook and loop backers, they'll have like a worn out polishing pad on there or sandpaper, and they just use it to micro bevel an edge, clean off some glue, anything you want to do by hand. Just a quick interruption. We filmed this video before we left for TICE 2026. We're back from TICE 2026 now. We had a couple of these sitting on the table, and the guys who got excited about these were the restoration guys. The guys who are doing repair, refurb, UV sealers, and we know a few of them. We're working with some of those guys to make some special backers to go with this, so keep an eye out for those in their videos. Anyway, they're on our website, in our web store. Check it out if you're interested. Tight lines.